wonderful science team. This is Miss Chavez, your school librarian. I wanted to present you some information that might be able to help you out as we're going through this digital learning process. So this is TextQuest, which is one of our databases. And within TextQuest, we have this really awesome option called Learn 360. And I wanted to present it to you just because I think it could be very beneficial. And I wanted to show you the different parts that I think you guys could use in your classes, specifically with Google Classroom, because it connects directly to that. So the first area I want to show you is in videos. We're gonna let that load, hopefully. There it goes. Under videos, you can browse by subject. So we're gonna go there and then look for science, and it gives you the amount of videos it has for all these different subject matters. So for instance, I know 7th grade does life sciences, so we're gonna click on that just as an example. And it gives you all sorts of great information. And I love how in addition, it tells you grade levels. So it tells you what it's about, it tells you that it's a full video, kind of tells you what standards it addresses, and then also tells you what grade level it could be for. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the video itself. It has it segmented already, where you can just focus on a specific part and then the transcripts for it. It has an option where you can upload it to Google Classroom. It tells you its standard once again, and you can make your own segment as well. If you want to focus on a specific area of it, you have an option, and then different things that you can do with that. So that's pretty cool. I also like the fact that it has a transcript and the fact that you can print out some of that information. Say you're wanting to assign this to your Google Classroom, but you want those kids who are going to be working from home only that get the printed packets to have the same information. You can print out the transcript for them as well. Okay, so our next one, I'm going to move through this pretty quickly because I only have 5 minutes to show you all. The next one is printables. So this one has science diagrams. These ones are more going to be something you would see in a textbook or like a lab. So there's not a whole lot I can see you using except for maybe printing out information that you want them to refer to, or something that you think could be a good reference or reminder. So these are going to be just diagrams. So we're just going to click on pollution real quick, just to look at what it looks like. You once again can add that to Google Classroom, and of course you can print them out. So it just kind of gives you all the information, looks just like you would find something in a textbook and the way that it's broken down. And that can be a beneficial resource. Instead of having to go back to the school, find a textbook, scan specific things, you can have those resources right here. So I thought that might be beneficial as well. All right, our next one that we're going to look at is going to be audio. This is going to have some songs. So one of the things that we already know is students remember well when they learn something by song. So underneath this, we have physics, specifically with songs. I know levers, pulleys, and simple machines is something that they worked on with 6th grade. So this could be a fun little thing to help refresh your memory and help them remember how simple machines work and why they are the way they are, why we need them. So this could be a really cool thing. Once again, once you click on it, you can add it to your Google Classroom. It also has a transcript where you can do the segments for it as well. It's not already segmented, but you could create one. So if you're wanting to use those things. They're a little bit cheesy. So I would probably use it just for the 6th graders, but it's definitely a possibility of something that you could use. And then lastly, STEM lessons. These are actually really cool. This is my favorite part, kind of save the best for last. So we have biology, chemistry, and physics lessons. We're just going to click on physics real quick. Notice it has intermediate and advanced. So it kind of breaks it down for you on what you're looking at. So let's do solar system, for instance. Once you're in the lesson itself, it tells you how many pages there are. It gives you an objective, what you should already know, and then the contents itself. And so as you're going through it, it breaks down the information, provides questions for the students to be able to answer, has all sorts of great resources for them, things that they can actually put in themselves, which is really cool based on what they're reading. And so you could actually get I know we're not doing grades, but do a check on their progress based on that. So I thought that would be really beneficial as well. And so once again, that can be added to your Google Classroom. So I just wanted you to be aware of these resources. I hope they help you. Once again, if you have any questions about any of this information, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. And I wish you the best with this. Have a great day.